In this video, we are going to go ahead and discuss question number 18 of IIT JAM 2021 paper. So let's see what the question is saying. You're given the total benefit. The total benefit is given to you as 120Q minus Q square. You're given total cost. Total cost is given as 20Q. You're given an external cost. External cost is given as Q square. Refer to our lecture that we covered on externalities and remember that socially optimum output is one where social marginal benefit is equal to social marginal cost. Social marginal cost is private marginal cost plus external cost. So optimum output is where social marginal benefit is equal to private marginal cost plus external cost. Because, in our question, private marginal benefit and social marginal benefit are synonymous. There is an external cost, but there is no external benefit involved. So what we will go ahead and what we will do is that I will assume that TB, the total benefit and the private benefit are the same. Now let's see. The total benefit is given to you as 120Q minus Q square. So the marginal benefit would be 120 minus 2Q. The total cost is given to you as 20Q, right? Yes. So the marginal cost, this is private, will be 20. External cost is given to you as Q square. So marginal, at margin, when you will find the external cost, it would be 2Q. Now, marginal benefit should be equal to private marginal cost plus marginal external cost. So we will get 100 is equal to 4Q. And we will get socially optimum output as 100 by 4, which is 25. Okay. Let's go ahead and understand what happens in an economy in the presence of externality. So in an economy, what is going to happen is people, this is what we desire. I desire that, we desire that people should take into consideration the external cost at margin, of course. But this is not something that is going to happen. How does an economy find its output? They just equate private marginal benefit to private marginal cost. So the economy would have equated 20 to 120 minus 2Q. So they would have equated 120 minus 2Q equal to 20. 100 is equal to 2Q. So Q is 50. So how do we show this diagrammatically? Well, diagrammatically, this is shown like this. This is marginal benefit. This is marginal cost. This is private marginal cost. The social marginal cost is this, which is private marginal cost plus external cost. The optima is here, where these are equal. This is what the society desires. But currently you are producing this output. So currently you are producing 50 units. And you want to produce 25 units. So you want the firms to recognize that there is an external cost that they're incurring. And in order for you to, kind of understand that they're incurring an additional cost, that whenever they're, going ahead and producing, they're creating some kind of pollution. The government goes ahead, they're creating some kind of environment issues. The government wants to impose a tax per unit. Now the question is, what should be the tax? The tax should be simply the amount by which you want them to increase their cost, the amount by which you want the marginal cost curve to shift. And you want your marginal cost curve to shift exactly by the amount of the external cost at margin. So you want the marginal cost curve to shift by 2Q, because this is your external cost in terms of marginal external cost. So your total external cost is given as Q square. So your marginal external cost is 2Q, right? So people are considering PMC. You want them to consider PMC plus EC. You want them to consider that there is an additional cost involved. You want them to make sure that they consider this as their cost function. So you want them to shift the cost function. One way to make them shift this cost function would be charging a tax equal to the marginal external cost. The marginal external cost is 2Q. So you charge them a tax equal to 2Q. Now, what should be the value of Q? That value of Q which you desire socially optimum. Right? Because ideally you want them to shift it from here at the socially optimum level, so that this comes out as the new equilibrium. So you want it to shift upwards at the socially optimum level. So you charge a tax equal to 2 into the socially optimum level, Q star. So 2 into 25, this is 50. So a tax per unit of 50, if you charge a tax of 50 per unit, automatically people will recognize that their cost has increased and they will produce the desired output of 25 units. So the answer is C, that is 50.